Okay, kids, so hindsight's 2020. First things first, before you get this thing on, is you've got to get this electrical connector plugged in. I was trying to plug in just the wire connector with the sensor already plugged into the plastic part. It was not happening. It would not do it for some reason, so I had to take the sensor out of the plastic part. It's got that little plastic keeper that you slide out. Took it out. Then I somehow managed to get it to plug in, and then plugged the sensor into the housing and put the little plastic keeper on. You got to do that first thing before you do anything. Then put on this hose. Put that hose on. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. Plug that hose on. You don't have to get the hose clamp tight yet. Just get the hose on as best you can. Then put your two screws in, which you can't even see the bottom one. It's so hard to get to. Maybe you can kind of see it down in there. It's down in there where we're screwed. You got to use an extension or a long screwdriver. Well, if you're going to use a screwdriver, you got to use a wobble. U-joint wobble attachment adapter. But then you can snug those down. Then do this last. That's easy. But also, I think hindsight, take the battery tray out too, because there's only two screws that hold it down, and they're like what, 11 or 12 millimeter, or maybe half inch, whatever fits. Yeah, I think that helped